I do all the time, but at this time actually I didn't. I didn't buy anything, I don't know. But I will be buying later, sooner, to do something.
Let's come to the theme of our month. Theme that we're following this month is the summer theme. Okay. What do you like about summer, dislike about summer?
I think I don't like winter, so I really love summer. You can wear anything, whatever, and it's like, yeah, sweat is there. You just cannot deny that. You can't take that away. And too much of sun and tanning is there, but still, it's a good feeling. The evenings are superb of summer, and it's like wow, like you are in you like you're not head, you are in heaven. So it's like wow.
So what do you basically do to do that?
I do nothing. I'm such a dumb person. I do nothing. I don't even put a sunscreen because I know it doesn't work. So it's okay. How much ever tanning, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Wear good glares, wear good clothes, and the shorter ones, and roam around.
One art that catches your attention during summer, you can think of at the moment.
I think the beaches, they do. Different colors excite me in summers. Like all types of colors: orange, pink, yellow, green. So that's like a summery mood I am.
So what kind of clothes do you wear during summer?
I stick to shorts or 3/4 because it's too much of heat if I wear jeans and denims and all. So it's like really difficult. But I wear shorts and skirts and all of that, and wear a dress, a very summery dress. So that's nice.
What workout routine do you follow?
I'm an on and off person with the gym thing, yeah. Because gym तो पता नहीं मैं ऐसे 1 साल का पैसा भरना मैंने बंद ही कर लिया. मतलब मुझे पता है कि मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ, तो मैंने पैसे भरना भी बंद कर दिया. और मेरी शाखा मतलब मेरे भी फ्रेंड्स और मेरी फ्रेंड्स मम्मा ऐसे बोलती है कि
What is the summer diet that you What is the workout routine that you follow?
the workout routine, I usually don't follow any workout, any gym or anything. मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ इस मामलों में. But then yes, ZND जब मैं कर रही थी तब नाच के देखा, so the choreographers and everyone told me to exercise and to stretch myself, stretch my body. So I've learned from there, and if if I get time in between, like अगर जैसे भी अगर कभी भी टाइम मिलता है तो I work out at my place.
What is the diet that you
Diet. I think I have my brunch. There's no breakfast. If I'm shooting in the morning, then I have my breakfast. If I'm not shooting, I sleep. So that's like I usually have brunch, and I skip dinners usually.
in summer there's any particular diet that you
We tend to eat less in summer because we drink a lot of water. So I think it's automatically you're dieting in a way.
One summer sports that you follow?
Volleyball and swimming.
What is your favorite pastime in summer?
We usually don't hang out in the afternoons, but then yes, in the evening you do so. And there's no as such, for an actor's life, there's no summer, there's no winter, there's no day or anything which is happening. Whenever you get time, you just go out and meet your friends and family, and that's all. There's no summer thing happening.
Childhood memories of this used to have this holiday, summer holidays.
Oh, that time, oh yes. In my childhood, I was like, so obviously हम लोग स्कूल जाते थे. स्कूल जाना किसी को पसंद नहीं होता था, और जब भी छुट्टियाँ मिलती थी उसमें ऐश मारनी होती थी, कुछ ना कुछ करना होता था. So I used to join this when I was in Indore. और मैं वहाँ पर I used to join the classes of all the sports activities, like all of them, volleyball, basketball, all kinds of like swimming, everything, skating. So at that time I was very fond of like summer holidays. Now there's nothing like that. I think we've grown up.
So now you don't get that time.
We're old now, old people.
Mumbai is quite hot, so one place you can think of where you could take off if you had time to leave this.
At my place. I think that is the only place Like in my room, I can go do whatever I want to. If I really need to, get out and have somewhere the coffee or anything, or AC restaurant, find out the AC, all the air conditioned places, and then go there. You just cannot go anywhere like that only. Like shopping and all that in the afternoon, it sucks.
There are a lot many movies which come out at this time. So any movie you're planning to catch up this summer?
For the movies, I have no clue. I have really no clue. I've been just shooting, going home, sleeping, shooting, going home, and sleeping. That's all. I think people are saying Dammano Dam. I don't know what are the reviews and all. If I get time, then I'll surely catch it.
Now coming to the food, mango. Do you like mango?
I'm fond of mangoes. I love mangoes. मैं पूजा करती हूँ उनकी. That's one thing which I really love in fruits. So, I mean, थोड़े टाइम के लिए होती है तो मुझे और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. And इसमें मुझे एक टाइप कैटेगरी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. उसको कहते हैं लंगड़ा. That's very funny name, I guess. लंगड़ा. So that's like that's the favorite food I think like. And but recently I've been just eating less because that's too much of meat. Too much of meat is not good for your face. Pimples, breakouts. No, so I'm eating less. I want to eat more mangoes.
What drink do you like?
I don't like fresh juices. That's very auntie uncle types. So I don't. Sorry to categorize that. But then I like all kind of just except fresh juices. I like all things.
Let's come to profession. How's the experience been in San Jose Alexa?
It's been an awesome time. I've learned a lot professionally. I think in each and every way. It's just not the acting I'm talking about, but every way of the sets also, meeting people and everything. It's been a different experience altogether, which I never got in this place. So I needed it. It's gonna make me learn a lot.
How did you take up with the movie?
It was very confusing for me because like probably the series I'm working in Achanak se I had to play some girl which was very self-centered. That was difficult like to do in TV because once you have the tag of negative, people don't really perceive you as positive. So I was very confused whether should I do it or not. But then I thought I really want to do something which is entirely different to what I did before. So that was the thing which excited me because entertaining you is entertaining all my fans and everyone is very important. But side by side, I also get to be entertained. I need to do something which is different. I need to do something where I can explore myself. So I was just doing that. Probably a lot of people were very unhappy that I took the role, and a lot of people appreciated that at least you did something which is different. So I got a very weird feedback from everyone, and all my fans are different. So,
How's the offspring rappers about their voice?
very good, all of them very good. Like, I know I'm sure. And we just scratch the jokes all the time, at least to have fun on the sets of the boring shooting. वेट कर रहे होते हैं लाइटिंग होने का ऐसे करते हैं उससे अच्छा तो हम लोग बाकी करते हैं बकवास करते हैं हाथ से लुट करते हैं.
Who's the one best buddy on set? Is there any?
I think everyone, yeah. I just don't take anyone's name, but then I just have good time, the family and everyone. We just crack jokes. And the most lovely guy is DK sir. He is fun element to be with. Like he will keep cracking jokes in between. He will scenes के बीच में कुछ भी अपनी line जोड़ देंगे, and we all just start laughing like ये क्या था. So that's like superb, and everyone is really nice.
Out of the characters that you have essayed on television, which is the one which is closest to your heart?
Which one is Heer or Bihir? Really close to my heart because it was my first show, and it was entirely a different experience. Grown up from there, so you always cherish your childhood. So it's like same with me. He was my childhood where I was like learning acting, I was learning the camera, I was learning, oh my god, this also happens, oh my god, ye bhi hota hai. So that's like really close, and the character was superb, and how Ekta ma'am made it, it was very good, and that was a pleasant experience I had.
Now Mother's Day is coming up on 8th of May. What's your take?
Mother's Day, I would just like to wish my mom on that day. I gave her enough surprises because it was her birthday, abhi thode din pehle. So I gave her like all kind of gifts she wanted, and me and my brother made her so special. Made her feel so special that she's like, okay, I don't need anything now for a year at least. So that's like, I think I'm gonna just kiss my mom and tell her that I love her, and thank you for whatever she's done for me.
So you will be celebrating in this year?
Probably we'll go out for dinner or anything, something, that's all, nothing else. And actually my dad is going to do something because he didn't do anything for my mom on his birthday, so he needs to do it. So he needs to cope up and do this. He'll be doing it.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for giving us your time.
Thank you. Thank you.